Okay, just a warm up, I guess. What are we doing here? I got 3 monitors, which is pretty cool. And I got them streaming, which is also amazing. Still not have enough monitors to put all my windows on. I guess I'll just have to wait until Mac supports 4 monitors. Till then, I'll have to survive with just 3. Tough. Anyway, do I need this streaming thing? Can I collapse it even further? I don't know. Can't collapse it further. What? The smallest it gets. Oh my god, really? Can't make it smaller. So it has to be just there. Behind my other windows, I guess. That's fine, okay. Just put behind other windows, whatever. Yeah, just like this. Cool. So what are we doing here? Okay, we got main screen is always ChatGPT screen. Welcome to the new era of software development. I'm not sure if the sound is good or not. But yeah, what's here? Visual Studio. Just a vertical layout. Actually, I don't know how to make it wrap the text. How do I make it? Soon I will be configurators. Soon maybe I'll be asking in my wrap text. How can I wrap editor? How do I search here? I forgot. How do I search here? Search. Wrap. Just like this. No, wrap. Text wrap tabs. Don't make me ask ChatGPT about this shit. It looks like I'll have to. Okay, ChatGPT everything these days. Okay, how to make VS Code wrap code so I don't. Can I just say it? No. Voice? No. Can't. Don't have to scroll horizontally. Prevent horizontal steps. Okay, I'll see. Option Z. Okay, command palette. Control. Okay, let's do the palette. Command Shift P. Okay. Toggle word wrap. There you go. Oh wow, it's so easy. Who would have thought? Oh, I would be damned. Oh, nice. Okay, so it wraps it like this. Yeah, cool. Without breaking words. Perfect. That's exactly what I need. Just apply everywhere. Just apply everywhere. Using the word wrap, one of the following options. Okay. Settings directly. Oh, open settings. Okay. Command this. Command comma. Okay. Settings. Search word wrap. On. Is that it? Already saved? See? It is saved. Perfect. It is perfect. I also don't need the lines. Actually, I do need line numbers. Yeah, so it's hard to squash things into. But look, remember, not writing code anymore. Can't be bothered. So what I'm using VS Code is basically for reading the code, not for writing the code. So, oh wait, it wasn't even 100%. Is it now 100%? Oh my god, just hate it. Is this? I don't know. Looks like 100%. Okay, fine. Okay, so that's how we do these days. And this is my little. So on the left, I can see that my extension was built successfully all the time. And this is my folder structure. That's it. So that's how I do. Command line, just in case, if I need to rebuild or install something and stuff like that. On the right is the browser. There we go. Or we do. Um, testing. Okay, so let's do it. What are we working on? That's obviously AI agent. AI is a big word now. Agent is a bigger one. Anyway, so what are we doing now? Yeah, last search job search ninja. Just to remind you, join if you want. Um, the basically the agent that has to apply to jobs on your behalf. Yeah, you just say I want the job and it just goes and applies. Doesn't matter where it's published. For that we create extension and there you go. So now I have to recognize this page. I think I was struggling understanding the main content of the page. Yeah, so we have this awesome um, okay, AI can do it, yeah, but it's very costly. So what we are doing, we are doing reinforcement learning the engineering way. Fuck data science. I think developers should take over. Is taking over actually, yeah, because data science did their breakthrough. Yeah, it's LLM. Okay, whatever. Now it's all up to us, the developers. So, and if you think about it, even the way I heard recently, even the way the LLMs are trained, they can't reason by themselves. They really need so the aha moments, the real magic happens when people reinforce its learning, when people test it and validate it, and then kind of guide it, funnel it, and that's what we are doing here. So engineering, we will know how to make it go towards particular goal by maybe accumulating a lot of code that is just meant for a single purpose. Um, yeah, and then we'll teach it how to basically iterate on that code and improve the code itself. Yeah, but for that, it really needs to get some guidance, some rails. Okay, cool. So, what was I working on? Main content. Yes, we're trying to understand the main content of the page, and there is obviously different approaches. The way it works is that so you start with a simple function, ask ChatGPT to write it, but then when the function gets too complicated, what you need to do is you have to split it into multiple functions. So you're gonna go deeper in that tree. So I started recognizing it as folders. So each next level means creating a new folder, obviously. So let's do it. Let's create it. Okay, so there's OpenAI approach. Or use OpenAI by find with OpenAI, like this. So OpenAI goes here, find with OpenAI, can even rename it to find with OpenAI, find with OpenAI, just to make it simpler. Oops, maybe I should rename it like this. Okay, and then what's wrong with this? Just the paths. Okay. Okay, find with OpenAI. And then there's two more approaches. Well, actually, one. Is this a duplicate? Let's see. Put this at the top. Got rank and select approach. Rank and select approach 2. What the hell? I don't think it's used, maybe. Yes. So anyway, rank and select approach. Ah, wait. Rank and select approach. can select approach. It's just one of the approaches. Okay, fine, cool. Anyway, subfolder. Getting complicated. Find by rank and select. What is the shorter the better? Now, and there are two files. Maybe another file is not in use. I don't know. We'll have to learn how to deal with that as well. So how kind of the versioning of the files. And another one is BFS skip approach. Forgot what it was, but anyway. Find by BFS skip. BFS skip. And naming doesn't really matter because because we can later rename it to anything we want anyway. We'll just use AI, by the way, also to rename it, because all you need is you just have to rename it using, what's wrong with this stuff? Okay, is this the first one or the second one? Why is this the first one, not the second one? I don't know. Ah, they named the same way. Yes. Maybe that's also intentional. Yes. We have to pick it up from the second file. Where did this pick it up from? From approach 2. How about this? Maybe it works, maybe not. Okay, what's this? OpenAI approach. Yeah, I didn't rename it properly. Sorry. Okay. Yep. Boom. Boom. Okay. Now, please work. And okay, so now that I structured it better, so there are different. So we're talking about what are we working on? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Start with ChatGPT. Warm up my. Okay, so first of all, I'm trying to save on O1 requests. So mostly just do. Start a new one even. Yeah. So write JDoc for this function. Just so that people also understand what the code is about. JSDoc, not JDoc. Yeah. Okay, attempts to find the content element of the page by using combined approach. Function employs 3 strategies. Okay, and now we'll introduce another one, which I think will be the main one actually. Okay, so this will have to be rewritten anyway, but for now it's good enough. Now, introduce another approach, which is called what? So I tested it by 3 depth and complexity. For each approach, we have individual tests. There we go, that's the test. So basically, this approach is heuristic function to find the deep element in the DOM that holds the most content by subtree size, nested depth, and visible context. So basically, we want to exclude anything other than the main content from the page. There is nothing actually here, but usually there's a lot of footer and header, and there's just too much content that can confuse things. So we really want to get rid of that. And this approach is just going through the entire tree in depth. Oh, I have to remove this. It was just for debug purpose. Haha. Not to look into hidden stuff. Yeah. Okay. Should I rename this? No. It's already named properly. Okay. Add another approach. Add another approach. Also, I wanted to refactor it because the point is 3 approaches. If all methods fail, yes, if none of the approach yields any results, then it will have to go OpenAI. Oh no, it will return the body element. But first goes heuristic approach, then OpenAI, and then falls to the body element. Question, how does it actually work? Valid my count. So it starts with this one. is valid main content. Oh, then it can tries to verify it even. Yeah, that's another question. We can try to kind of use another algorithm to just validate if it's true or not. Which I'm not sure if it will work actually, because what it does, it pretty much tries to do the same. Header, footer. I don't like this approach. Yeah, so it's kind of using just stupid names. So it's much less interesting. So I want to give it up. I want to give it up. I want to give it up. So what I wanted to do is introduce another approach. Remove validation of the approaches and instead do what? Instead compare results of instead apply all three non-open AI approaches first, compare their results and choose the element that was provided by most of them. If no element is yielded by them, use OpenAI. Yeah. Okay, let it refactor this code. And also I need to make sure that they don't actually provide the body. I don't like this. Fall back to the body. I don't like the body. I don't like the body. Shouldn't go to the. Or maybe they should go to the body. Okay. Okay. So if two algorithms say body, and the other one says, "Oh, this is element," the other two probably are wrong, because body is just means nothing. So yeah, we'll have to fix that too. Okay, rank and select approach, DOM3 depth complexity approach. Yes, this looks better. Candidates. So it tries those three and then understands candidates. Element frequency. Oh wow. Best candidates. Yes. Max count. Best candidates. Maybe it is like if there are two body results, instead one is not body. I'm not sure. What's this element selector? What is this for? Selector. Wow. Ah. If all fail, use OpenAI. So that's correct. I don't know what this is for. Get selector. Yeah, I need that. That's an external function. I don't need it here. Huh? The hell? Since when this is here? It shouldn't be here. Doesn't matter. Where am I? Wait, I'm in the wrong file. Where's this selector thing? Oh yeah. It shouldn't be here. Get element selector. It should be. I'll move it out. Get element selector. Is this the same? It's pretty much the same. So that's how we do it. A lot of comparison, just comparing the code in this new development profession. I have to remove it into somewhere, into some other helper. Okay. Get selector. I don't have a better name for it. Get element selector. That's it. So this will be out. Okay. What to do with the body? Maybe we'll worry about the body maybe later. Yeah, maybe later. Step by step. Let's not overwhelm it. Otherwise, it will be overwhelmed. Where's that complexity? Where's that? Find by DOM 3 depth and complexity. Why it's not found? Why it's not found? Again. What's going on? Ah, it needs something. Ah, it needs window. Ah, why did I make it so it needs a window? I forgot to test it better. And I don't remember if it was a valid approach or not. Was this default view? Oh, maybe. Haha. I don't remember, unfortunately, if it was failing because the window was not provided or not. Maybe I just had to do it, but I didn't have to do it. So I forgot, really forgot. But document needs to be here. Well, if I'm providing document, I might as well provide that thing to this. Okay, cool. Ah, yeah, element is the document, actually. Instead of document, it is HTML element. What's wrong? What the hell? Oh, sorry, it's returning. Element. I'm not a good programmer. Okay, cool. So, what are we going to do? We have to cover it with tests anyway, always. Okay, so element here is page HTML find main content. Oh wait, so this is just document itself. I don't need to. Fine. Document. What? What's wrong? Documents. As a document body. Sorry, body is the element. Oh, my brain, my brain. Where are you? Wake up. Okay. What's this? HTML to text 2. What's this about? Okay. Wait, what's this? Ah, there's just 2 versions. Okay, that's fine. We're probably not using this version anymore. I have to comment it out, I guess. Not to be confused later. Yes, there's a lot of versioning because sometimes AI can just miss things. So we have to always be vigilant. Yeah, a lot of times. I'm starting to make comments to it without removing anything, without changing the logic. Please add this or add that. Or even sometimes asking it to, hey, just tell me what needs to be done. Don't do it. Provide sample. Just, I will do it myself. Yeah. Because if the file is 200 lines, I'm just like, I'm so hesitating now to just copy paste it from ChatGPT. It looks legit. It looks similar. But then a lot of times some things, just tiny thing was omitted, or like few things. It's like, oh, why did it skip it? Why did it just neglect some things? I don't know if it's the prompt problem or... Anyway, let's test it. No, something's still wrong. I'm probably failing tests somewhere, which I don't know where. Utils, yes, definitely tests. Okay, what's wrong with this? I'm not failing tests. I mean, just this. Okay, fine. Okay, cool. So let's actually run tests first because that's how I do it now. So deep content. Again, deep content. So what deep content does is basically, so this sample HTML, it just looks for the top level, just only top level elements, trying to find the main content one. Yeah. And if the deepest and most content one is this one, it has to choose this one. Yeah. And it fails. Oh, perfect. Interesting. Oh, did it do it again? That it just. Maybe this window thing really needed here. Okay, fine. Window. What was it before? Window. Window. Yes. Well, let's see if it tests. Oh no, actually skipping. Ah, no, no, no. Ah, yes, exactly. So because it's just thinks that everything is non-HTML element. I think it was because of the window. I forgot. Ah, that's where I got stuck actually. Let's see. Okay, maybe it wasn't because of the window, but we'll see now. So okay, let's say we do the window here. Window as, what is it? Doesn't matter. It's just window. And everywhere else we'll do it like this. So I don't think in, oh, you can just provide a window. It doesn't really matter. Yes. What am I doing even? Yeah, it's only for tests that I think it doesn't work for. Let's see. Maybe it will. Maybe it will not. We'll see. Basically, the window, you have to provide the window that was created by JDOM. Just internal thing. Oh no, I don't know. No, still not working. Skipping non-HTML element. Child. Why it thinks it's a non-HTML element? I don't understand. I thought because non-HTML. Yeah, what's wrong with it? Check-in element. New best found. Score. Traverse child elements. Traversing child. If it's not instance of HTML element, what the hell? What else could it be? Okay. Doesn't matter. Never think about it. Why it thinks of my elements as non-HTML elements when I run test. Give it log, give it the test itself also. How to improve it. How to improve it. Fix it, whatever. Indicate some elements. Even though they should be of the child nodes, some of which are not. Non-HTML could be text, notes, and comments. Okay, understand. I remember it suggested to me to use element node. Modify to explicitly check the node type to avoid login none. In short, provides a fully functional document. Yes. If create DOM is causing issues, consider switching to JS DOM. That's what I'm doing. Create DOM is JS DOM. Hello? But it doesn't know. It is JS DOM. being accessed on non-HTML nodes. Okay, so I don't understand what it did. Element node. No, just extra. Add extra logging for properties of elements when traversing to understand how to fix it. That's it. Yeah, sometimes it just thinks it wants to fix, but you understand that it doesn't know what it's doing. So you have to just isolate it and just say, okay, get more extra debug info. And then we'll look at it again with you. That are elements. Whoa. Yeah, okay, no, that's fine. It looks good. It looks legit. Improved logging. Oh, something's missing. Traverse. Yeah. Window, no. Oh, wait. I didn't supply the window before. Wait, how did it work? Excuse me. How did it work before? No. This new version uses window. Oh, as a parameter. Okay, fine, interesting. Whatever. It wants this parameter. You can have it. Okay, let's do it again. Shoot it back to it. Fixing. Okay, failed again. Okay, let's see. What is the first element? Tag name, div. How is this not a in HTML text content? So why is this not a... Wait, so this is the text? Element debugging info. Okay, look at this one. Container. ID container. Version portal. Okay. How is this not a HTML element? Container. It's this one. Yeah. Welcome to the So it's this one. Oh, so at least it got inside now. So it is going inside. Did it pass then? Or did it fail? It failed. Received to be. Okay, what did receive? What is to be? Contains content. Wait, what? What are we expecting? I don't understand. Received to be. Where is this coming from? Should detect elements. Containing the main content. Okay, to be. Where is the to be thing? I don't understand. This one, expect. So this is received to be expected. Is this where it fails? Yes. Log the detected element. Go. How do you log it? Come on. result. Okay. Yeah, fine. At least just print it at least out of HTML. Well, out of HTML is what? It's just the tag itself, I guess. Where is it out of HTML? Nowhere to be seen. Oh, not this. Out of main content and maybe inner HTML then. Ah, it's probably did body again. Yes, no, so it is out of HTML. Yeah, so I forgot. Inner is just inside. It's just without the element itself, as far as I remember. Yeah. Yeah, so it probably just, yeah, it does everything. It does everything. Yeah, so it's the body. Again, it did the body for whatever reason. Yeah. Maybe because it did too much skipping anyway. Yeah. Or maybe not. Wait again. So skipping child text. So I'm not sure what it skips actually. Yeah, I need to find out what is it skipping the right thing or not. Again, skipping what? Skipping child node name. I don't know what this text node name is. Type, node type. It thinks 3. What's 3? Constructor name. Let's add something else. Value, not value. What's not value? Tag name maybe. Node name. Tag name. Tag. Might not be available. There you go. HTML element. Constructor text. ID maybe at least. ID should always be there. Child ID. ID is not there. Ooh. Attributes. HTML text content. Inner HTML also not there. What the hell is there? What is it? What is child? What is a child? Child node. What's on child node? What's there? Parent node, previous sibling. Text content maybe. Okay. Maybe by text content we should be able to understand what it is. I'm thinking too much. Yeah, no, if you should have set a timer. It should be limited time when I'm trying to solve shit and just ask it to do it itself by itself. Attributes class main inner HTML. What's this? Skipping value none. So maybe it is skipping the text element because there is some text, but where? I don't see the text. Maybe this one, maybe this empty stuff is the text. No, impossible. Traversing child article content. Where's article? Oh yeah, article class content. Okay. Checking article content. Okay. Checking. HTML tag article. Yeah, at least this is HTML document element. Traversing H1. So it does go down into all of them. I can see it. It doesn't skip. Yes, it skips something in between. But then it does traverse things. No, it does go in depth. That's fine. But then somewhere there it doesn't decide shit. New best element found. Best score. Best element. So it just doesn't do anything. Best. So it just doesn't do best element. Everyone should be the best element because it's minus infinity. Okay, maybe put it to minus 1. I don't know. Maybe it's a problem with infinity or something. I don't know. Could be a problem with infinity. The best score is minus 1. And then you score. What's the score? Where is the score? Why it doesn't even check in elements? Measure complex. Okay, so maybe measure complexity is the problem. Measure visible text, count descendants. It also counts descendants. Okay, add logging to this one. Okay, should log all details. This complexity is total complexity like this. How about that? Huh? Fine. What the hell? Okay, try. Wasting too much time. Okay, descendants count 0. Could it be that? No, total complexity 5. Score 5. Isn't it the new best? I don't understand. Isn't this the new best? Five. It's like it's always 5. Huh? Oh no. Also 5. How is this possible? 0, 0, 1. How is it always 5? It's weird. Just always 5. That's what I'll ask it. Why is this always 5? And in the end, it just returns the body. Why the score is always 5? And why the score is always 5? And why it returns the body? Body should be excluded as a result because it will be the biggest always. Okay, so body doesn't have to be the best score. Measure complexity again. Measure complexity. Okay, boom. Text length sub 3. Okay, maybe swap this one and maybe yes, this is also good. Okay, new traversal. Yeah, let's use new traversal. Because the old one still doesn't work anyway, so who cares? Don't even wanna spend time reviewing it. Logging is still there, which is good. Okay, done again. Fun with AI. Hassle with AI. Okay, again. Score 0. Score 0. Score 0. Score 0. Score 0. Now it's all zeros. Maybe I'm asking for too much here actually. Maybe I shouldn't maybe forget the visible content. Maybe, yeah. Maybe. Just try it, yeah. Yeah. I don't think it makes any sense. You know, because I need, maybe it misunderstood me, because it's trying to find maybe the child, the ultimate child with the text, the biggest text, but I'm looking for the main content holder, so it should be the top level element. What's the scores now? Score 0. 0. 0. 0. Doesn't count right. Okay, how do I actually, why I don't see, again, why I stopped seeing complexity 4. Where's complexity 4? It just doesn't calculate anymore. Subtree size just returns. No children and no text and no children, return 0 complexity. Looks like maybe it doesn't do proper descendants. Maybe that's the same problem. Yeah, oh yeah, it's the same problem. Okay, because they're not HTML elements. Okay, I get it. Seems like this is also failing because it skips non-HTML elements, thinking mistakenly. I'm not sure if it remembers the previous problem I had. Valid elements because of this check. Yes. HTML elements. Yes, let's do this element node instead. Whatever it does, I don't know. I really don't know the difference. I don't know what this element node is about, but trust AI. It knows better. And it's all for stupid. Really, it is all stupid testing. Hidden child. Skip hidden elements. Maybe just abandon this as well. Just forget it. Whatever, hidden, not hidden. Just work. At least with hidden. Give me some different scores at least. Yeah, there you go, 27 something. This new best score.
Serge.
Yes. Good.
You should contact